applications of melt flow index tester in plastic industry. Plastic materials such as PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and HDPE, high-density polyethylene, are used in construction for pipes, fittings, insulation, roofing materials, and flooring. Measuring the melt flow rate of plastic materials is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it provides valuable insights into the flow behavior and viscosity of the material when it is in a molten state. This information is essential for manufacturers to understand how the material will behave during processing, such as injection molding or extrusion. By knowing the melt flow rate, engineers can optimize processing conditions to achieve the desired flow properties, ensuring efficient production and consistent product quality. Variations in melt flow rate can indicate differences in material composition, processing conditions, or even material degradation. By monitoring and controlling the melt flow rate, manufacturers can detect and address any deviations from the desired specifications, minimizing the risk of defects and ensuring that products meet performance standards. To conduct the melt flow index test, manufacturers can easily make the use of Presto Melt Flow Index Tester. Presto Melt Flow Index Tester is used for evaluating the flow properties of molten plastics or resins. The melt flow index of thermoplastic materials is defined as the rate of flow, in grams per 10 minutes, of extrudates of molten resins through a jet of a particular length and diameter. How to conduct test using Presto Melt Flow Index Tester? For accurate test results, it is essential to make sure that the machine is perfectly level. You can do this by taking out the orifice die from the machine and inserting the plumb line inside the barrel. Now check the perpendicularity of the plumb line related to the ground. If the plumb line is perfectly perpendicular to the ground, this means the machine is perfectly level. After that, you can start the machine by plugging the main socket of the machine into a 3-pin 15-ampere socket. The PID controller will show some readings on the process value and set value. Set the value on the PID controller. After setting the temperature and time, wait for the reading in the process value display in the PID controller to reach the value of the set value display. After the required temperature for the test has been attained, fill the barrel of the machine with the plastic granules you want to test. Poke the granules with the plunger after they are inserted in the barrel. This will ensure close packing of the granules and eliminate the air between the granules. When the granules are inserted into the barrel, there will be a slight decrease in the process value on the PID monitor. Wait for this value to again reach the set value. We also need to preheat the granules before starting the test. Once the process value and set value are the same, place the plunger provided with the machine along with the dead weight on it into the barrel. After placement of the plunger, there will be extrudate coming out of the die orifice placed in the lower end of the barrel. When the time cycle on the digital timer will complete, the cutter will automatically cut the extrudate from the barrel. This can also be done manually if the machine is set on the manual operation. The first extrudate that is cut by the knife is discarded. The extrudate cut afterwards should be considered for testing. In this way, you can operate this testing machine effortlessly. Weigh the extrudate cut from the barrel using a digital balance. Benefits of using Melt Flow Index Tester in plastic industry. One benefit of using the Melt Flow Index Tester is that it allows manufacturers to measure and monitor the flow properties of plastic materials accurately. This information can be used to adjust processing conditions, such as temperature and pressure, to achieve optimal processing results. Another advantage of using this testing equipment is that it helps identify potential issues early on in the production process. By measuring melt flow rate regularly, manufacturers can detect any changes or variations in material properties that might impact product performance or consistency. Additionally, using the Melt Flow Index tester supports better decision making by providing accurate data for the selection and blending of raw materials. Manufacturers can use this information to choose suitable polymer grades with specific melt characteristics needed for their products. Features of Presto Melt Flow Index Tester. Technical specifications of Presto Melt Flow Index Tester.